All right, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of Tech That's Cooler Than Your Ex's New Partner. We're diving into the iPhone 16 Pro. Let's start with the design. It's thinner than the plot of some superhero movies.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
And so sleek that if you drop it, it might slip right out of reality.
Voila.
The borders, almost non-existent, like your New Year's resolutions.
Do that hurt, Daddy? Do that feel good?
Now, the camera, oh boy, it's packing 48 megapixels. That's enough to photograph a grain of sand and see a whole beach.
Someone is watching us.
The 5x zoom. Say goodbye to standing up. You'll be zooming in on the dog next door like it's a nature documentary.
Zoom in. We need to know that we've hit our target.
The A18 chip. Sounds fancy, right?
Is that gold?
That's because it's faster than your Wi-Fi at 3 a.m., making your apps feel like they're on roller skates. And that display? Smooth as butter at 120 hertz. So scrolling feels like gliding through a tech utopia.
Oh, that feels good.
In short, this phone does everything except your laundry. Stay tuned because the future's looking brighter and thinner.